Welcome back, everyone. Here's a quick look outside in northern Coahoma County. So this is one of our sky cams just showing the cloudy skies, just like we're still having cloudy skies a little further south here in the mid and south delta. Now let's go ahead and get into the rest of the forecast. So the sun will rise at 6:45 and will set this evening at 5:50 p.m. So again, while the sun has just risen, it's cloudy, and it'll just be cloudy today, just like it was for yesterday and 2 days ago. So we do still have two severe weather risks to talk about. We have the slight risk covering most of the delta, and then we have an enhanced risk covering the eastern counties near I-55. So while we've been mostly in the clear for the last few hours, we do still have the threat for severe weather for today. So again, all modes of severe weather are still possible for our Thursday. And now looking at the satellite graphic, so we can see where the thunderstorm activity has mainly been occurring near Little Rock and Hot Springs, Arkadelphia, and stretching eastward into parts of northeast Arkansas and also into the Memphis area and other parts of western Tennessee. Now, we did have a tornado watch covering all of the delta. That watch was issued last night, just a little after 9, and expired at 5 this morning. But then we had another tornado watch that was issued just a few minutes before 5 a.m. and this one will expire today at noontime. This covers Coahoma County, Quitman, Panola, just all the northernmost counties stretching up to the Tennessee state line and counties in eastern Arkansas, and also Drew and Deshay counties, Arkansas, which are the next closest Arkansas counties near our viewing area. But again, rain still mainly off to the west and north of us, but we'll start to get more showers and thunderstorms in throughout today. So current temps around the delta, we're at 69 and 70 is a warm and muggy start to our Thursday morning. Dew points are in the mid 60s. So again, a lot of moisture in the air. It feels very muggy outside. Winds are blowing in from the south at 11 miles per hour for El Dorado, southerly southwesterly winds at 16 for Monticello, Arkansas, and southerly winds at 16 for Greenville and Greenwood. And our winds are gusting up to 21 miles per hour for Batesville, 16 for Winona, 23 for Monticello, and 22 for El Dorado. So our high temperatures for today, or we're pretty much at the highest temperatures for this morning, as we'll be in the upper 60s to 70s. But then as that cold front moves out, we'll start to have that colder air starting to move in, and that'll bring our temperatures down later today. And winds will be becoming westerly, northwesterly, and around 25 miles per hour. And then overnight lows will be around freezing. We'll have decreasing cloud cover for tonight and overnight. Now we could still have some showers and thunderstorms for this evening, but we'll have drier conditions returning late tonight and overnight once that continues to clear out behind the frontal boundary. And then highs will be in the mid to upper 40s for tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies. And then we'll have winds from the north around 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts around 25. So again, cold front still getting closer to the delta, still have all this warm, moist air pushing in from the Gulf of Mexico just ahead of that cold front, and this cooler and drier air trying to push in behind it. So this frontal boundary will continue to pass through our area into the early afternoon hours. We'll still have more rain and thunderstorms moving in behind it. But then as we get into the late night hours and overnight into your Friday morning, we'll see cloud cover decreasing, rain pushing out, high pressure sets up. That'll help us to have this nicer weather, clearer skies leading into tomorrow and also into the weekend. So looking at your 7-day forecast, we still have a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms for today. Then we'll be drier for Friday through Sunday, possibly Monday too. But then we could get some rain again on Mardi Gras and Ash Wednesday, and our temperatures will be rising back into the low to mid 70s for next week. Thank you for tuning in and have a triumphant Thursday.